Hi friends, it's Julia and welcome to day number 27 of the 30 days of sketches with Christy's Beautiful Life. Today's sketch is one that was from the original series 8, day 27, and it is an Allison Davis sketch. And it's kind of got the wonky triangle look to it with one page here and one page there with 3 photos in the middle. So we'll see. I have my 3 photos. And I have a conglomeration of embellishments, etc. There's some stitching because it's Allison Davis. So I pulled out my crochet twine. Whether I actually use it, that's a whole other story. I pulled in this alphabet set because I want to create a title with this. I might do some contrasting. I have enough letters for my title, but we'll see. I pulled in a pocket page card, and I'm thinking I might cut these out. I pulled in enamel dots, I pulled in puffy hearts, and of course I pulled in the rainbows, the wood veneer rainbows. I pulled in enamel hearts, more puffy hearts, label stickers. I pulled in a tag, and then I pulled in some of the ephemera bits. I have chipboard and different embellishment pieces here from Freckled Fawn and Felicity Jane, so I have a ton here. So I pulled that in. Hopefully I'll use it all. If not, it can go back into my stash. I did pull in a basic white cardstock in order to back my photos. And then these are the 2 papers that I chose. They are both from the second Gabby collection that I had in my stash that I kept with. I wasn't sure I was going to use it this go around, but I am. I'm using it. So I'm going to try and use both pieces on this layout. Anywho, give me a minute. I'll show you a close-up of the sketch, and then I will be back to show you what I have created. Okay friends, I have finished layout number 27. Let me show you what I did not use. I have these bits of ephemera that I didn't use, a couple of pieces of chipboard. Yeah, wasn't for lack of trying. I moved them around quite a bit, but didn't end up using them. And then I have these. And again, not for lack of trying, because I tried both of them out and still they just didn't feel right on the layout. I did not use any of these labels. What I did use was enamel dots, puffy hearts, both sets, and the enamel hearts. So got a lot of use out of those. These are the 2 offcuts of the paper that I brought in, and then of course I have the white cardstock, the leftovers of that, for the background of my photos, and then half of the floral sheet of paper. And here is the layout that I created. I love how this one turned out, but of course I love them all. The sketches are so fun. The last time I did this layout on series 8 of the 30 days of sketches, I think I used washi tape. I know I used washi tape and did my borders around my paper. I cut the paper at a diagonal, but then I used washi tape instead of doing the stitching. But today I felt like I was going to do the stitching, and it only took about an hour. Once you punch all the holes in, the stitching goes pretty quickly. So I'm pleased with how that turned out. I took my pocket page card and pulled it apart, or cut it apart, down here on the bottom into 3 separate tickets to make a spot for my title. I used puffy hearts, enamel hearts, enamel dots. I popped up this ephemera bit, and then I popped up all of the photos on foam tape. And then I also, this was half of that tag that I brought in, and I just cut it and moved a little bit out so that I would have enough to make it look a little bit longer. Here I put the other half. I put a floral embellishment along with this floral tag. Used a lot of the chipboard pieces, and then puffy hearts, enamel hearts, and enamel dots. And there is the layout. Super simple. Stitching is not, you know, perfect by any means, but it's done. And I think in the grand scheme of things, the stitching looks good because it's a little bit wonky. You can tell that it's hand stitched. Anywho, I appreciate you guys being here. If you're interested in seeing other layouts that I have created for this 30 days of sketches, please head over to my YouTube channel and check out the playlist called hashtag best of 30DSCBL. Or if you're interested in seeing layouts that other people have created along the same vein as these, you can plug in hashtag 30DSCBL, sorry, hashtag best of 30DSCBL, and you should come up with Christy's playlist that she has been adding people to every day, and you should be able to find tons and tons of inspiration. At last check, when I checked it several days ago because I am batch doing these while I'm on retreat with my sister, there was over 200 videos on that playlist. So make sure my little playlist only has, to date, it will have 27. Starting tomorrow, it will have 28. So, anywho, guys, I appreciate you being here. I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.